Good morning, Gomes graduates. It's Mrs. Noons here today for our phonics lesson. So we're going to start like we always do with our rhyming words. So listen carefully. Listen if the words sound the same. If they rhyme, you do thumbs up. If they don't rhyme, you put thumbs down. Alright, so listen carefully to these words. Our first pair. Do these words rhyme? Soft song. Soft song. Those do not rhyme. How about fast train? Fast train. Same sounds in those words? No. How about the two words tall wall? Tall wall. Those rhyme. They both have that ending sound all. How about these two words? Lost pup. Lost pup. Do they have the same sounds at all? Thumbs down. Do these two words rhyme? Weak beak. Weak beak. Yes, they do rhyme. They end in that sound eek. Do these two words rhyme? Red crab. Red crab. Nope. Red has eh and crab has ah. Two different sounds. Do these two words rhyme? Sat and chat. Sat, chat. They rhyme. End in that sound at. Alright, this time listen to the word and tell me the sound that you hear at the beginning of the word. So the first sound that you hear in the word. What is the first sound you hear in the word waiting? Waiting. Like, I'm waiting for you to be ready. What sound is in the first sound you hear in the word waiting? The first sound you hear is w, and it's made by the letter W. W, waiting. Okay, what is the first sound you hear in the word kindness? Like Gomes graduates work hard every day to show kindness to one another. The first sound in the word kindness is k, and it's made by the letter K. Kindness, k. What is the first sound that you hear in the word history? Like today we will be studying history. So what sound is the first sound in the word history? The first sound is made by the letter H. History. History. What is the first sound you hear in the word really? Like the question, like the sentence, I really miss you guys. Really. What is the first sound you hear in the word really? R. Made by the letter R. Really. What is the first sound you hear in the word question? Question. A little different. Like in the sentence, I have a question for you. What's the first sound you hear in the word question? The first sound you hear is qua. Qua. Now what letter makes that sound qua? It's actually two letters. Q and U. Qua. Question. Okay, your next step is to listen to these words and tell me the last sound you hear in the word. So you're isolating the ending sound in this word. So what is the last word you hear in the word steam? Steam. Like, look at the steam coming off of that boiling water. Steam has the ending sound made by the letter M. Steam. What is the ending sound that you hear in the word itch? Ooh, like in the sentence, ooh, I have an itch. Can you scratch it? Itch. The ending sound in the word itch is ch. And it's made by these two letters that blend together, C and H. When you put them together, they say ch, like in the word itch. Okay. How about what is the ending sound in the word toss? Like, could you toss me that ball over there, please? Toss. Toss has the ending sound s. And in this word, it's being made by a double S. Toss. The next word is the word did. Like in the sentence, did you do your homework? Did. So what is the last sound you hear in the word did? The last sound you hear is d, made by the letter D. Did. Okay, next word, pause. Pause. Could you please pause the movie? What is the last sound you hear in the word pause? The last sound you hear is z, but this is an interesting one because it's not made by the letter Z, it's made by the letter S. Pause. What is the last sound you hear in the word wolf? Wolf. like in the sentence, do you hear that wolf howling at the moon? Wolf. The last sound you hear in the word wolf is f, and it's made by the letter F. Wolf. And what is the last sound that you hear in the word, pile? Pile. Like, could you please put your papers in a nice, neat pile for me? Pile has the ending sound ooh, ooh, and it's made by the letter L. Now remember this magic E, that E is silent, and all it does is tell that letter I to say its name, I. Pile. So the last sound you hear is the L. Pile. And we're going to blend some words together to make compound words. So I'm going to give you two small words. You're going to put them together to make one bigger compound word. So if I give you speech plus less, put it together, you get the word speechless, which means without speech. No words to say. If I give you work plus book, that word would be workbook. A book where you do your work. Workbook. If I asked you to combine blue plus print, you would get the word blueprint. Blueprint. And blueprints are the plans that you'll use when you're going to build something. If I asked you to combine life plus time, life, time together is the word lifetime. If I asked you to combine clip plus board, put it together, you get the word clipboard. If I asked you to combine police plus man, you get the word policeman. Combine star plus fish, you get the word starfish, a fish shaped like a star. Combine the word sun plus flower, and you get the word sunflower. And lastly, add fire plus man, and you get the word fireman. And lastly for today, I'm going to leave you with a sentence, but today it's going to be a silly sentence. I'm going to give you a tongue twister, something that's a little bit tricky to say, but I still want you to count the words in the sentence and post a comment to tell me how many words you think are in this sentence, and practice saying the sentence. Can you say it? The sentence is, she sells seashells by the seashore. Okay, listen again. She sells seashells by the seashore. Can you say that sentence? Can you say it 5 times fast? How many words are in that sentence? Post a comment below. All right, I'll see you soon for another lesson.